Hello Radiant Faces, welcome back to my channel. Today I have the April Glossybox to show to you all, so let's get stuck into it. So this is the April Glossybox and it has come in a gorgeous looking outer this month. Last month it was, I think this is like this standard pink colour that most of them come in, that was last month's. And then April's has a really cute fruity theme. And these boxes are so nice, you can just keep them to keep your little bits and bobs in. On the side it's got your one in a melon. Very good. Okay, so let's have a look inside and see what we got. And I've been busting as usual to show you all because I've been saving this and I haven't fiddled about with it because I wanted to do it with you. So obviously you've got your little booklet guide there with fruity or floral is the theme this month. Hey Glossies, we're celebrating spring this month with our vibrant fruity or floral editions. So you receive one of two special design boxes bursting with fruit inspired formulas and blooming with flowery fragrances. So there's a fragrance in this one which is quite exciting. And so there was a fruity box and there's like a little floral one there that you could have got as well. So I got the fruity one. There you are. That's what I quite like about it, it's a little bit of a surprise every month. So it's really cute inside, it's wrapped up, and let's see what we've got first. Okay, let's go for the fragrance and have a look at the fragrance. So this is your one in a melon, eau de parfum, and which company is this from? Let me see. Your one in a million eau de parfum by Jeanne Arthes. And this perfume boasts a gorgeous exotic and fruity fragrance. Tangerine, blackcurrant and passion fruit with delicate notes of raspberry, peach and apple to create a fresh and feminine scent that will delight your senses. Let's have a go. Right, so I'm one of those people that if I use certain perfume with a certain fragrance, it can like trigger off a headache. I don't know if you're like that. So I do have to be careful, but ooh, yeah, that's nice. Kind of tangy, a little bit musky. You can just about smell like a tangerine-y sort of a fragrance in there with it. Definitely a fruity slash mildly floral sort of fragrance. Quite nice. I'm gonna wear that today. See how I get on with it. See if I like it. Okay. That's really nice actually. The more I sniff it, the more I'm like, yeah, that's nice. So, right, the second thing I'm going to grab out is it's Dr. Botanicals, and it's Pomegranate Superfood Regenerating Sleeping Mask. I could do with that. That sounds good. Rich in moisturising pomegranate, all natural vegan formula, deeply nourishes and hydrates your skin. So you apply a thin layer to clean dry skin just before bed and then let the mask work its magic while you sleep. Now I've got perfume all over my hands, so I'm not going to be able to tell if it's perfumed really. No, that doesn't have a strong fragrance or anything, so if that bugs you in face cream, then you're okay with this one. So we shall give that a go. Pomegranate Regenerating Superfood Mask for overnight. There we go. Try that out tonight. Next in the box we have Dr. Pawpaw Hot Pink Balm. Ooh, multi-purpose soothing balm with natural pawpaw. Apply to your lips for a glossy finish or to your cheeks for a fresh and rosy look. Alright, so got a little seal on it. Let's just pop that off. try a little bit of that on the back of my hand. Oh, it's quite, that's quite bright. Ooh. Oh, that will give you a very rosy glow. This is a really great makeup item to use if you want to do like quick 5-minute makeup and you don't want to muss about with blusher and your lipstick. It's a 2-in-1, so you can use that on your cheeks. And it's sort of, if you rub it in, it has like a dewy sort of finish to it. So if you don't mind a dewy looking blush, then you can use Dr. Pawpaw Hot Pink Balm on your lips and as your blusher. I prefer a powder brush personally, but that will make a lovely lip balm. Okay, the next thing in the box we have Hairflick hair vitamins, which are vegan. It's a blue... Why does everybody phone you when you're filming? It's like they know. They know that you're recording, so they're gonna phone you. Okay, so Hairflick hair vitamins. These are vegan. They're gluten and gelatin free, obviously, because they're vegan. And you have got in here vitamin A, vitamin C, D, E, B6, B12, which I could be a little bit allergic to because B12 contains cobalt, and sometimes I'm allergic to that, so I could have a rash after I take one of these, but we'll see. There's also folic acid, quite a lot of biotin, which is a supplement that I've never tried before, pantothenic acid, and zinc. Ooh, okay. Should we have a little try, see what it tastes like? Oh, okay. It's like candy. And it's not like... Ooh, they're sweet. I have to stop from eating more than 2 of these every day. But they're really yummy. They taste like candy. They're really soft though. They're not, when I say gummy, they're not like Haribo gummy. They're like soft gummy, like squidgy gummy. But they taste really good. Probably because I'm on a diet and I'm not allowed to eat anything like sugary right now, and these do have sugar in them. So it's like, my brain's just gone like... Next in the box we have Palmer's Natural Fusions Chia Seed Argan Oil Hair Mask. Formulated with argan oil, which boosts hydration and rejuvenates dull hair, as well as chia seeds, which help protect your tresses. Lovely. Apply to clean and wet hair from root to tips, wait 15 minutes and rinse. So, that's nice. There's no sulfates, no parabens, no phthalates, no mineral oil, and no gluten. I personally find it weird when they say there's no gluten in something that you're going to put on your hair, because isn't gluten like a food allergy, or do some people react with their skin with gluten? I mean, tell me, I don't know, like if your skin actually reacts to gluten, because that's quite shocking, isn't it? But yeah, maybe they just put gluten-free on like everything, because everything's gluten-free nowadays. It's like, yeah, it's gluten-free hair care, gluten-free gummies. Now that makes sense, because you're gonna eat those, okay. And finally, in my box, ooh, look at that! I've got a full-sized, lovely Original Source Shower Gel, Apple and Melon Water Infusions. Ooh. Bursting with luscious apple and melon scent, this hydrating body wash is a treat for both your skin and your senses. It's infused with vitamins, antioxidants, and moisturising ingredients that nourish and detox your body from the outside in. Yay! Paraben free and vegan. Woo! Get ready for happy, healthy looking skin. Let's have a sniff. Now, whenever I do this do you ever like go to sniff some shower gel in the supermarket, and you're like, I'll just give it a little squeeze to kind of like puff the scent out, and then you're like, okay, yep, no, I'm not gonna get that one. Yeah, that's me. So Let's give it a little tap to make sure there's none in the lid. Oh, just see what I mean? That just did that. It just came out. It just did that blob thing. Did I get it on me? Oh. Yeah, it smells quite happily. Try that out later. Go for a jog. Have a wash when I get back. So not much makeup in the Glossybox this month. More perfumes and skincare and things like that. But I'm loving it again. Like, I mean, look, like it takes me ages to get through shower gel. Like, I'm always quite economical with the amount I use. So this is just going to last forever. I don't need to buy shower gel this month. Job done. So that cost me £10 for that lot. Again, I think a real bargain for what you get in the box. So another great thing about glossy boxes is that you can earn glossy credits. I think you can do that by leaving a review or referring a friend. If I've got a link, I'll put it in the description below the video what the Glossybox link is, and you can earn me a couple of glossy credits. And then you can use those at lookfantastic.com, where you can find like all your favourite brands and whatnot. Now this month, I don't know, last month they had a limited edition Mother's Day box, which went like went like hotcakes. And then this month, April, they had a limited edition Easter egg with a bunch of makeup in it, which I really, really wanted. And that just shot out and went out of stock like unbelievably fast. So I think I was like watching the clock like you do, and you're like, right, I must get online and grab one of those Easter eggs this month, the Glossybox Easter eggs, because they go live, I think it was at like 1 PM. Anyway, typical me, I forgot, and at 2 PM I checked the website, sold out. I'm like, what? So you have got to be super quick if you want one of those limited edition glossy boxes. You like set the alarm and get in there. It looks like we may be getting a little bit more makeup next month, which I love. And so in May, apparently you can either get one of two amazing makeup sets by Barry M. Either the Chiseled Cheeks Contour Cream Kit or the Cosmic Lights Highlighter Palette. So that's a sneaky peek for next month. One of these lovely palettes that you can, highlighters or contour palette that you can get next month. Cool, excellent. So that's the Glossybox for April. And of course I'll get another Glossybox in May, so if you want to see the unboxing of the May Glossybox, can't say it, then be sure to subscribe and hit the little bell there so that you get notified when I go live again. Until next time, see you later, have a great day, bye!